Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. We've got an interesting gist for you from your favorite TV show Ultimate Love. Reactions as Obi and Ebi want to voluntarily check out of the love part this morning. Two housemates of the new TV reality show Ultimate Love have option to check out this morning. Obi and Ebi, who were paired together with the couples Obi-Ebi to search for their ultimate love, has option to check out after coming to a mutual agreement. Few hours ago, Obi dropped a message for the chief host of the reality show popularly called Aunty, and the message reads, Good evening Aunty, I'm writing to inform you of my decision to voluntarily check out. I and my partner are in agreement. Thanks, ma. Recall that Obi and Ebi have been having serious issues in their relationship lately, and this is not the first time they had planned to check out. Reacting to the recent development, a Twitter user identified as Mado tweeted and said, I seriously don't blame these love girls for wanting to check out. Dating when there are limited resources, they have to cancel the whole show and go back to their drawing board. The show lacks creativity, and this is not what happens in reality. Honestly, I don't feel Obi and Ebi should check out. They really need a whole lot of workouts via their relationship, and that house is the right place for them. The outside world won't give them such opportunity to really work on that based on daily activities. Both are still strangers to each other. They need to understand some fundamentals of love affairs. Please kindly use the comment box below and drop your opinion. Okay guys, if you're new on this channel, new watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drop. Thank you.